Hello, I'm Orville Redenbacher. Can Ms. Lucy tell which popcorn is my famous gourmet popping corn? Start popping, Lucy.
Huh?
Go ahead.
Oh, that's yours.
Right. Mine pops so much bigger and fluffier. It's blowing the top right off the popper. And look, near every kernel popped.
Most every kernel popped, too.
Taste my gourmet popping corn. You like it better, or my name isn't Orville Redenbacher.
Eh?
Redenbacher.
Sure, help yourself.
You need 1 cup for the popcorn. You need extra virgin olive oil. And you need a large pot. So now notice the cup is filled with kernels. It's going to make a whole cup. And the pan now has olive oil in it. And it's about this much oil, as you can see. Okay. Covers the bottom there. Notice the kernels have been put there. Those are the cold kernels. Those are going to pop to tell me when the oil is hot enough. Notice that the oil covers those kernels. So you need to have enough oil in there to cover the kernels completely. This is the container that's going to be filled with popcorn. Notice it's an 18-quart container. Notice the heat is on high heat. You're going to be cooking popcorn on high heat all the way. All right, now the kernels are popping, and I'm going to add the popcorn. And I want you to see this. Got to be careful because the oil's hot. Get it in there. And then you got to shake it 1 time to get it even in the oil. Leave it on high heat. The key is to leave it on high heat until all the kernels start to pop. Hear it popping furiously. Still on high heat. Now you can hear it start to trail off. Now I turn the heat off and let the trapped heat inside the pot continue to pop the rest of the kernels. Okay, the kernels have stopped popping, and you'll notice the pan is full, right to the brim. Now I'm going to dump it in the container. Now you're seeing how much popcorn it actually did make, and see how golden, whatever you want to call it, how puffy they are. Great big kernels. Of course, now you salt and you flavor it however you want to, but it's enough popcorn to last her for probably a week. She just nibbles away at it. Anyway, that's how it's done. This is a shot of the sauce that I make. You can see it usually goes up to here. Too bad you can't taste it. Put it on everything. Good. Chocolatey. Mmm.